Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add music to your Snapchat story. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps. But before that, I suggest that you go ahead and update the application if any update is available. And to do that, you can simply open the Play Store or App Store on your phone and then search for Snapchat. So if any update is available, you will see update button, but mine is already updated, so you can just open the application. So Snapchat often comes with updates, so make sure that you have the latest version so you can enjoy the latest features and most recent music to add to your story. After you're done, open this application and there on the right side you will see a lot of options there. To add music to your story, you can simply click on the music icon, and there you will see a variety of music that you can add. On the first instance, Snapchat will suggest you some music, but you can also search music of your choice by clicking on the search bar and then typing the music of your choice. You can also record the audio yourself or add music from your camera roll to do that. And for that, you can simply swipe and then at the end you will see my sound option where you can create the sound. Simply click on add button there and you can see that you can upload from your camera roll or even record the audio yourself. So let's say I'm gonna add this song to my Snapchat story, and you can see the music icon there. You can just drag on it to select the section of the music that you want. After you're done, you can record the video or take a picture, and then you will see an icon like this. You can move it around if you want, and if you do not like it, you can just drag it down and then delete. And then to choose another music, you can just repeat the process itself. Let's say I'm gonna choose this music right now, and after you're done choosing, you can simply click on the tick mark. And that's it. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more updates.